complete the setup on Zelle after signing up, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Download the Zelle app. If you haven't already, download the Zelle app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Ensure you have a compatible device and a stable internet connection. Step 2. Sign in or create an account. Open the app and sign in using your existing account details. If you are new to Zelle, follow the prompts to create a new account using your email address or mobile number. Step 3. Link your bank account. Once signed in, you will need to link your bank account. Select your bank from the list provided or enter your bank's information manually. Follow the instructions to verify your account. Step 4. Set up your profile. After linking your bank account, set up your profile. This includes adding your name, profile picture, and any other required information. Make sure your details are accurate for seamless transactions. Step 5. Enable notifications and security features. Finally, enable notifications to stay updated on your transactions. Also, set up any security features such as two-factor authentication to protect your account. Now you are all set to use Zelle for sending and receiving money. Enjoy the convenience of quick transactions.